Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is October the 13th and I am using my new Pro Trader trading system. Now with the Pro Trader, the original did not have the super signal indicator. I will be adding the super signal indicator to each and every new system moving forward, as it makes any trading system a much better trading system. With this super signal indicator, it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. It's great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading systems 24 hours a day. Now once things line up with the 4 indicators down here at the bottom, you'll get an arrow either up or down, suggesting that there's a trade possible. So now you're not going to obviously take every trade, but what you have to do is figure out the trend directions. In other words, you have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. I wanted to point out also that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I provide the education. And you need a daily trade plan. You should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now every morning at 6 a.m. New York time, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the charts checking out my daily trade plan. So let's take a look at it. Here's the daily trade plan. This is a screenshot that I took around 6:15 this morning. Very, very clear that we're basically buying everything except this crude oil, as we're waiting for something else to pop in this area, and then it'll pick a direction. Now it can be up or it can be down, depending on which way crude oil is going. Many traders are getting back to me, telling me how great this daily trade plan expert advisor is. Takes less than 10 seconds to load up, and it follows the market in real time, 24 hours a day. So you can trade anytime. Just pull it up, pick the instrument that you want, and by the way, you can put anything in here that your broker offers you. Once you know what you want to trade, all you do is you go look at the charts and wait for the super signal indicator giving you the signal whether to buy and or sell. Now if you are trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, you are going to fail as a trader. Please keep that in mind. So now we can get into these trades. First trade is the Euro CAD. Now I manually put the arrow in here to remind me I want to be buying. And this arrow is taken directly from the daily trade plan. So I took the trade here, and just to let you know, I want it to be out before 8:30, right here where this candle is, as there is strong high impact news. So I just wanted to get in and manage a trade. Now as you can clearly see, at this point it was a winner right here. But all I did was kept an eye on the money down here at the bottom, and once I knew I was over 200 pips and ticks for the day, and at that point I just pulled up my close all script and I closed out all the trades pretty much right to the minute. Got into trades before 7 and I was done before 8. So whatever that is, an hour, depending on when I got in the trade, an hour and 15 minutes. And before 8 a.m. in the morning, I am done trading for the day. So, took the trade at this cursor here. And this is a loser, by the way, of 2 pips. Not too bad. I'm not going to worry about it much. But that's a minus 2 pips, and that's a minus $217. Moving on to the next trade. Okay, Euro Aussie. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow. Everything was screaming, going up. So that's exactly what I did. Now mind you, if I would have stayed in the trade longer, all of these trades would have turned into huge winners. But as I said, I didn't want to be in the trade with high impact news. Sometimes I do, but not today. So on this trade, looks like I ended up with 3 pips to the good, and those 3 pips ended up paying out $188. And if I was still in the trade, I'd be up around well over 100 pips. Okay, moving right along to the next trade. What's the Dow Jones? And let's see. This one here pays $5 for each tick. So I took the trade here. Everything qualified for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. And I took the money, divided it by 5, and the calculator says it's 148. So, and as you can clearly see, I'm very happy I'm out of this trade. And what did I say, 148? Looks like I'm going to have a hard time trying to get that right on. Oh, there it is there. Got lucky. Anyhow, sometimes it's hard to get it right on, but that's 148, and if you take 148 times 5 times the 10 lots, that's why you see payout of $7,400. Moving right along to the next trade. And by the way, let's see, pound Swiss here. Now the pound in real time, as it was going up, was a bus driver. In other words, it was 80% or higher. That means when I see that, I could trade all the pound pairs. But today, I just went with these trades, as I knew that I was going to get well over 200 pips and ticks. But as you can clearly see, all the pound pairs went up, 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 and up. They all went up. So that's why it's very important you have a good meter. Not all meters are good. I went through about 12 of them before I found a very good one. And the meter alone will point you in the direction of trades pretty much every day. So let's just work on this pound Swiss. They all qualified, by the way, for a great way to trade. Very, very clear with the indicators down at the bottom. I teach all of these tips within the training videos. Pound Swiss now. Here we go. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy. Looks like with about 82 pips. And those 82 pips on the pound Swiss paid out $8,223. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the S&P 500. Now this one pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money and divided it by 5, and the calculator says it's 165. And I'm very happy on this one also that I'm out of the trade, because just as easy as I can make a lot, I can lose. From there to there, and of course from there down to there, I would have lost 3 or 4 times that amount. So let's see now, 160. Well, I don't think I'm going to be able to get this one right on. Well, anyhow, you get the idea. You remove the last digit. Calculator says it's 165 times the $5 times the 10 lots paid out $8,250. Okay, moving on to the Nasdaq. Now this one pays $20 for each tick. Here we go. So I took the calculator, and the calculator says it should be roughly 42 ticks. So let's see if I can get that. 42. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits. So 42 times 20 times 10 lots paid out $8,380. Okay, moving on to the last trade, Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Let's see where I got in at. So looking at the money, looks like it should be 91 ticks. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out being happy. Another one that's going to be hard to get it right on. Well, you get the idea. Anyhow, you remove the last digit. It is 91 times the $10 times the 10 lots paid out $9,100. So another great day of trading. I just added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 400. The total came to 529 pips and ticks, and all of those pips and ticks ended up paying out $41,325. So if your system's not producing like my Pro Trader trading system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you look right below this video, you'll see write-ups on several packages that I'm offering. Now, as you can see on the right-hand side here, it's a Pro Trader system. I do charge $250 for it. Keep in mind that all the different packages individually are $250 each. And this is where all the training videos are, with a lot of tips. There's 22 training videos, about 30 minutes long each. There's over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. And of course, on the left side here, this is my daily trade plan expert advisor. You must have a daily trade plan or you will fail at trading. There's 3 videos in here covering all 3 sessions. Now I got a special offer. If you buy 2 of them, and I will show you 4 different packages, you can take any 2 and I'll give you 1 of the other 2 packages for free. So and the other packages are, as you can see on the right side here, it's the Easy Trader system. It's a system by itself that has the super signal indicator. Again, this one has 3 videos. I go into detail with all 3 sessions showing you how to trade the super signal indicator. And of course this one here on the left side, how I trade live with advanced trading tips. As I mentioned earlier, each and every one of these is $250. Now this one, I am now up to 14 training videos. Now what you can do is put the video on pause, and you can read everything. I can lower this one here. You can read everything in here on the right side, and These are where the training videos are. This one is advanced trading tips. And a lot of good stuff, especially covering like correlated pairs and how to trade the super signal. So put this on pause, read everything here. If you have any questions at all, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. And of course, if you live too far, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link and we will have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions. I'll give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it's time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully it should be tomorrow. And between now and then, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.